Alright, out here today with the John Deere 50-inch deck, and I'm going to do the final assembly. I got the replacement spring that I had previously lost, and I've got the belt over there, and I'm going to put it together today. Okay, I've got the idler on. I ended up taking out the washer there because it was shimming it up just a little more than I wanted to. I want to make sure that the belt, this was a little too low, I thought. I want to make sure that that belt does not get the edge of that pulley and that it keeps centered on there. On this, I went with an original belt. I think John Deere belts are pretty good. They are a little pricey, but there's the number on mine. M82718. I've still got it up in the shaft on that one and that one. I'm just trying to get that spring started extending. Fail. Alright, I'll try putting it in a groove. Maybe that's what that hole's there for. Oh, no, that ain't gonna make it. I gotta make sure I got the right belt. I might have grabbed the one for the mule drive. Maybe this is the right one. M41668. I'm too lazy to go inside and check on the computer. I think that's probably going to be the right one. So just in case anybody's having trouble with their pulley or anything else, it looks like when you got a new belt, that's about straight. That way the spring is pulling directly in line, and that's the belt routing. I'll take a picture here in a second and you can print it out if you need it. Alright, here I got some fluid film, rust and corrosion protectant. It's lanolin based, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the tops of the bolts. The nuts This nut here I filled with grease because that one's going to be sticking out in the weather, and I want the difference between the nut and the pulley, which was badly rusted before, to be kind of weatherproof. But I'm going to add some of this too. You shouldn't really get it on the pulley too much, on the part where the belt is going to be inside, but I just want to prevent these nuts and all the hardware under here from seizing up before it's time. And just for more corrosion protection, because it is under the cover, it kind of gets moisture trapped under there. I'm going to put some of this down before any grass could get on there, and this will soak in to wherever there's cracks in the paint or whatever, and just give me a longer deck life underneath there. Okay, I just got this sitting on there loosely for now. You do this one first. This one has a flange that goes up and over when it overlaps, apparently. And this piece goes on that side of the center mount. I think I've got it all situated how it needs to be. Different size socket, right. I think I've got it all situated how it goes. Oh, that bent right up. Something's not quite right there. Pretty good, pretty good.